Hey everybody, I've got this beautiful four-headed lion fountain out by the pool, and I really love it. But over the last year or so, it seems like I was always fiddling with it just because it was green, murky, the pump was getting clogged up with debris. So today, I just came in from doing this actually. I flushed the entire fountain out. Down inside, so much debris came out. I was having handfuls of, dead leaves and pine needles, whatever you want to call it and whatnot. But it's running the best it's run in years right now. And I'm going to cut over to the fountain, so just bear with me for a second. And then I went out and I put about a quarter of a cup of bleach in the water because it's got some green around there, and I think that'll really clean it up. And I'm going to keep an eye on it, but I'm going to cut to the fountain now. It's really the best that it's looked in years. Thanks for watching.